So hari ni, let's go back and forth. Kita bezakan apa yang berlaku di awal anak kita mendapat diagnosis dan apa yang berlaku sekarang dan bagaimana evolusi tu berlaku.
So, saya sujudlah dengan kesyukuran yang amat mendalam that, there has been some improvement. So sometimes I guess after all these years, it's you learn from your first trip or you learn from your first trip to any place, and in each trip when it gets better, you can chart the improvement.
So taklah macam dulu-dulu kalau tak pergi terapi, you can see that they are very dysregulated. Now mama is here to co-regulate them as well. So the transition, the differences are definitely banyak lah.
And bila dah nampak perubahan tu, it gave us that hope and that motivation to berterusan. And the reason why I'm bringing this up, this specific example is kalau lah ada parents yang sekarang baru dapat diagnosis anak, it can be quite daunting. Memang sekarang you might feel that, oh, my world is ending, oh, this is so hard. I want to acknowledge, yes, memang susah. Ini memang susah. It will get easier, but the challenges will always be there. Tetapi find that one point that's going to motivate you, and for me it was benda kecil that motivated me to today.